Azerbaijan is a country full of contrast, blending ancient history, rich culture, modern development, and natural beauty. We boarded a flight.
My wife for deciding what to eat, and she's like,
Luckily, we ate at the airport. The food at the Fly Air Dubai economy class was not up to the mark. As we landed at the airport, we were excited to come outside and see the airport itself.
we're at
The
Baku, but
airport
not at the
itself was
airport,
a work of
and
art.
we're just claiming.
Azerbaijan's airport art often reflects a blend of contemporary design with the country's rich culture history. As we picked our luggage and came outside for the transport, the weather was quite the cold. And the local buses which lead you to the places. So we went to the Fire Mountain. It's uphill in the countryside, Baku, where we can see the fire. Azerbaijan is also often called the land of fire. It's easy to see why. Just outside Baku, the Fire Mountain in Azerbaijan, also known as Yanar Dag, is natural gas fire that has been burning continuously for centuries. Located near Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan, it is a famous tourist attraction and a unique geological phenomenon. Also called the eternal flame, the mountain flame is fueled by natural gas sleeping through the porous sandstone, causing it to burn continuously even in the rain or snow. Then we climbed the mountain to see how it looks from the up. So the view from here was pretty much sharp because they were come. Jana Dag is located 25 kilometers northeast of Baku and can be reached by car or taxi. It's also included in tour explorers. At the top of the Yanar Dag Fire Mountain in Azerbaijan, there isn't a traditional mountain peak experience like snow caps or panoramic summit views. Instead, the defining feature is eternal flame itself. Here's what you can expect at the top: eternal flame, geological phenomena, observation area. Visitors can. There's nothing much, so we went to the fire temple in Baku, also known as the Ashtega of Baku. It's a historical spiritual site located in the Sorani district, about 30 kilometers from the city center of Baku, Azerbaijan. This unique temple is an important symbol of Azerbaijan's ancient connection to fire worship and Zoroastrian traditions. This is inside the temple. They have made a museum which looks like this. The historical background, the Astika dates back to 17th and 18th century. It was used as a place of worship by Zoroastrians, Hindus, and Sikhs, emphasizing its multicultural and religious significance. The name Astaka translates to home of fire and because we were hungry. So they had meat all over along with the definition of different. If you're a spicy food lover, then this place is not for you. They're serving food without any spice in it. While the lunch may not have been memorable, exploring the food court at a nearby mall could be a fun way to try the local international cuisines. Some malls in Baku, like Port Baku Mall, Kinching Mall, or 28 Mall. Old Baku town, also known as Icherisheher or the inner city, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the historical heart of Baku. The people of Baku, like many cultures worldwide, have a special fondness for cats. Cats are seen as a symbol of good luck and cleanliness in many regions, including Azerbaijan. While we walked through this old street, we found a lot of cats here and there. It was pretty the sights. We saw some traditional old food and a person dancing on the road. It was quite the view because people were actually enjoying. Walking through the streets of Baku, it made me realize how heritage sites are very important in a culture. Seems like people of Azerbaijan are very welcoming and their nature is quite the nice because they try to explain you everything. It was quite the cool. We vanished into the valleys of old Baku city. The historical significance of this place was quite the storytelling. The alleys, the old culture was quite definitive. Old Nizami Street is one of the most vibrant popular street in Baku. It's quite old 12th century Persian. The old Nizami Street features a mix of architectural styles from Baroque and Neo-Gothic to Soviet-era designs in a modern structure. The beautiful lit facade. The Memorial Flame Monument in the city center of Baku is likely part of Mitre alley. The significant site honors the memory of those who lost their lives during the key events in Azerbaijan history, including the Black January massacre in 1990s. The flame towers in Baku are among the city's most iconic landmarks, symbolizing modern Azerbaijan as a land of fire. These three skyscrapers are a stunning blend of architecture and symbolism, representing the country's history, culture, and rapid modernization. The view from the top of the memorial is pretty exciting to watch at the night.